Tonight I'm making a butter cake using box mix. I first started with 2 eggs and 1 stick of butter that I melted, mixed those together, and added the cake mix. I did notice that the mixture was a little thick, so I did add a little bit of milk to it, and then it turned out like this. Next I'm working on the cream cheese part of it, and this is just 1 stick of cream cheese, 1 stick of butter, and a little bit of baking powder. Next, I added about 1.5 cups of powdered sugar and I mixed that into the cream cheese mixture. And then I started filling my bowls up. Right here, I'm trying to create a little dent in the middle so that the ice cream I put on top can sink in. And this is the cream cheese mixture on top of the cake mixture. Next, it was time to put them in the oven. I baked them at 350 for about 30 minutes. And at this point I was shocked because I didn't expect it to look like that. But once I plated it and added the ice cream, it looked perfect. I added some powdered sugar for some razzle dazzle and I drizzled caramel on top and it was delicious. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.